Reflection. More reflection.
Is about to start. Before starting the competition, I would like to invite our Honorable Director Sir to speak few words regarding this competition. Sir, please.
So good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you, sir.
So we are conducting different competitions this year. Today you are going to participate in this competition.
Yes, sir.
House-wise, no?
Yes, sir.
So I congratulate all the participants
Thank you, sir.
and appreciate the organizing committee of the school and see that you are answering all the questions of the quiz master and getting prizes. Thank you.
Down. For an exciting house-wise quiz competition. So this competition is a wonderful opportunity to all of you to improve your skills, to improve your knowledge and to build up confidence. Okay? So the confidence is between four houses. Okay? The first house is commandos, second house is fighters, third is interceptors, followed by warriors. Okay? So for every competition, rules are very important. Clearly, listen properly and don't try to violate the rules. Understood? Okay? So the competition is between all the four houses. Okay? You will be having three rounds. 3 rounds of questions. First round is pick a cheat. Pick a cheat. Okay? So here on the table there is a box. Okay? From each house, one participant has to come forward and pick up a cheat. Okay? So there you will get a question. According to that question, you have to answer. Okay? So second round will be buzzer round. Buzzer round contains 4 questions. Okay? Who will sound the buzzer for the first? Okay? So second round అనేది buzzer round. Okay? Buzzer round లో 4 questions ఉంటాయి. నేను క్వశ్చన్ అడిగిన వెంటనే కూడా ఫస్ట్ ఎవరైతే ఇలా సౌండ్ చేస్తారో they will get a chance to answer the question. So for that listening is very important. Question జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి, ఆన్సర్ చేయండి. Okay? And third and final round is rapid fire. Rapid fire round. Each house will get 5 questions. Okay? So 60 seconds time will be given. Okay na? A 60 seconds time no with 5 questions ki as much as fast you have to answer. Understood? అర్థమైందా? So 3 rounds ఉంటాయి. First round pick a cheat. Okay? So each house నుంచి ఒకరు వచ్చి cheat pick చేయాలి and you have to answer. Second round will be buzzer round. Question వినగానే buzzer press చేయాలి, then you will get a chance. Okay? Third round, final round will be rapid fire. Each house ki 5 questions అడుగుతాము. 60 seconds time ఉంటుంది. Any doubts in rules?
No, teacher.
So I request the participants to be ready and maintain silence while the competition is going on. Okay? So I request Mr. Chaitanya sir and Ms. Ramya ma'am to take over the charge as judges because your judgment is valuable. So have a keen observation. So with your permission, I will start round 1. So now we are going to start round 1. Any one of you? Yes. So are you ready? Commandos, your first question. Okay? Who is the first Prime Minister of India? Who is the? This question is only for commandos. ఈ question commandos కి మాత్రమే. Remaining 3 groups have to sit silent. If you involve or if you interfere, you will get minus marks. Discipline also plays a key role. Okay? So commandos, your first question.
Narendra Modi.
Sorry, that's the wrong answer. Now chance goes to second round, second group. I request fighters, one of the participants can come forward and pick up a sheet. Fighters, are you ready to? So the first question for fighters is, who is the present Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Who is the present Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh? The question is for fighters. Who is the present Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Who is the present CM of Andhra Pradesh?
Chandrababu Naidu.
Say full name. Practice it.
Okay, repeat.
Chandrababu Naidu.
That's the correct answer. Now, the chance. I request one of the participants from English sectors come forward, please. So, English sectors, be ready for your question. And your question is, present Finance Minister of India. Who is the present Finance Minister of India? 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 The question is, who is the present Finance Minister of India? Okay, now the chance go to fourth house. Warriors, I request one of the participants from Warriors come forward to pick up. Warriors, get ready for your question. And your question is, who is the Education Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Who is the present Education Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Present Education Minister of Andhra Pradesh. Question for Warriors. In round, we are moving to the second question. Again, I request one of the participants from Commandos, please come forward to pick up a sheet. Yes. Anyone? Commandos, get ready for your question. And your question is?
Next time.
Should I ask the question? 1, 2, are you excited? Huh? Are you tensed? Your question is, who is the MLA of Arku Valley? The question is for Commandos. Remaining houses, keep quiet. MLA of Arku Valley. That's the right answer. And you come forward to pick up a sheet. Fighters, are you ready for your question? Okay. And your question is, who is the present Prime Minister of India? Who is the present Prime Minister of India? Current Prime Minister, PM of India.
Narendra Modi.
That's the correct answer. Point for fighters. So they have given the correct answers. Remaining 3 groups can give them a big round of applause. Your second question and last question in round 1.
Ready.
Are you
Fighters.
ready? Are you ready for your question? And in the sectors, your second question is, who is the Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. In the sectors, your question is, who is the Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Who is the Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Yes, it is the trending name in Andhra Pradesh. Who is the Deputy CM of Andhra Pradesh? that's the wrong answer. You don't have any other option, only one set is left. Shastra said that Vijay Talapati is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, recently appointed as Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, but not Deputy CM of Andhra Pradesh. Deputy CM of Andhra Pradesh is Pawan Kalyan. Sri Konidala Pawan Kalyan garu. Okay, President of India. Who is the present President of India? Present President of India. Draupadi Murmu. That's the correct answer. Give them a round of applause. Clap, please clap, please clap. Number 2 is buzzer round. Round number 2 is buzzer round. Okay, okay. If you know the answer, you have to make a sound with the duster like this. Who will make for the first? They will get a chance to answer. Understood? Clear? Maintain sign. Understood? A house is the discipline how to do. For that house, they will allot extra marks. If you shall we start the second round? Round number 2, that is buzzer round. Okay? Get ready with your dusters. That means buzzer. Okay? So listen to the question carefully. So the second round is all about states and capitals. Okay? I'm sorry to inform you that the first round is all about leaders. Okay? 2, 1. First question. What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? Warriors.
Say properly.
What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? Shimla. So that's the correct answer. Claps everybody.
చెప్పండి.
What is the capital of Meghalaya?
Shillong.
So that's the correct